Welcome to Financial Freedom Journey. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trends for 2025. As we stand on the brink of a new era in digital finance, it's crucial to understand what the future holds for cryptocurrencies. In this video, we'll explore emerging trends that could reshape the landscape, from advancements in blockchain technology to the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi. We'll also discuss how regulatory changes and market dynamics might influence the adoption of cryptocurrencies in everyday life. But that's not all. We'll take a closer look at the potential impact of artificial intelligence and how it could revolutionize trading strategies and investment opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about the crypto space, this video is designed to engage and inform you. So, stick around as we uncover the possibilities that lie ahead in the world of cryptocurrency and what they mean for you. Get ready to discover the future of digital currencies. The rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi, is rapidly transforming the financial landscape, offering unprecedented accessibility and innovation. Unlike traditional finance, which often relies on intermediaries like banks, DeFi leverages blockchain technology to create open and permissionless financial services. This shift is empowering individuals worldwide, allowing them to lend, borrow, and trade assets without the barriers typically imposed by conventional institutions. Key platforms like Uniswap, Aave, and Compound are at the forefront of this revolution, providing users with tools to engage in peer-to-peer transactions and yield farming. Innovations such as smart contracts are automating processes, reducing costs, and increasing efficiency, making financial services more inclusive than ever. As we witness this growing trend, it's essential for viewers to explore the opportunities that DeFi presents. Whether you're looking to earn passive income or take control of your financial future, DeFi offers a pathway to financial freedom. Join us as we delve deeper into this exciting world and discover how you can benefit from the rise of decentralized finance. NFTs, beyond art and collectibles. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, have evolved far beyond their initial association with art and collectibles. Today, they are making significant strides in various industries, including gaming, real estate, and entertainment. In the gaming world, NFTs are revolutionizing how players own and trade in-game assets, creating true ownership and new revenue streams for developers. Projects like Axie Infinity and Decentraland are leading the charge, allowing players to buy, sell, and trade unique digital items. In real estate, NFTs are being used to represent ownership of properties, streamlining transactions and enhancing transparency. This innovative approach can simplify the buying and selling process, making it more accessible for everyone. The entertainment industry is also embracing NFTs, with musicians and filmmakers using them to offer exclusive content and experiences to fans. Successful projects like NBA Top Shot have demonstrated the potential for investment in this space. As NFTs continue to gain traction, viewers should consider them as a viable investment option, tapping into the future of digital ownership and value. Regulatory changes and their impact. As the cryptocurrency market continues to grow, upcoming regulatory changes are set to play a crucial role in shaping its future. Various countries are proposing regulatory frameworks aimed at addressing concerns around security, fraud, and consumer protection. For instance, the European Union is working on the Markets in Crypto Assets (MiCA) regulation, which seeks to create a comprehensive legal framework for digital assets. Similarly, the United States is exploring clearer guidelines that could impact how cryptocurrencies are classified and taxed. These regulations could significantly affect market dynamics, influencing everything from trading volumes to the types of projects that receive funding. Increased regulation may enhance investor confidence by providing a safer environment, but it could also stifle innovation if overly restrictive measures are implemented. As these developments unfold, it's essential for viewers to stay informed about regulatory changes in their regions and globally. Understanding the implications of these regulations will empower you to navigate the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency more effectively and make informed investment decisions. The role of stablecoins. In 2025, stablecoins are rapidly gaining importance in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, serving as a bridge between traditional finance and the digital asset world. These digital currencies are pegged to stable assets, such as the US dollar or gold, which helps minimize price volatility. For users, this means a reliable means of transaction and a safe haven during turbulent market conditions. In an environment where cryptocurrencies can experience dramatic price swings, stablecoins provide much-needed stability. They allow investors to hold value without needing to convert back to fiat currencies, making them an attractive option for trading and liquidity. Popular stablecoins like Tether, USDT, and USD Coin, USDC, are already being widely adopted for various applications, from remittances to decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms. As we look toward 2025, incorporating stablecoins into your investment strategy could be a smart move. They not only offer a way to mitigate risk, but also enable seamless transactions in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Consider exploring stablecoins to enhance your portfolio and navigate the complexities of the market. Emerging technologies, blockchain innovations. The blockchain space is witnessing a wave of exciting innovations that are set to redefine its capabilities. Among these advancements, Layer 2 solutions are gaining traction as a way to enhance scalability and efficiency. By processing transactions off the main blockchain, Layer 2 solutions like optimistic rollups and ZK rollups significantly reduce congestion and lower transaction fees, making blockchain networks more accessible for everyday users. Interoperability is another critical innovation, allowing different blockchain networks to communicate and share data seamlessly. Projects like Polkadot and Cosmos are leading the charge in creating ecosystems where various blockchains can work together, unlocking new possibilities for decentralized applications and services. These advancements not only improve the user experience, but also pave the way for broader adoption of blockchain technology across industries. As these innovations continue to evolve, viewers are encouraged to explore projects leveraging these technologies. By staying informed and engaged, you can discover opportunities that harness the power of blockchain innovations and contribute to the future of this transformative technology. Conclusion. In today's video, we explored several key trends shaping the future of cryptocurrency, including the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, the evolving role of NFTs, and the impact of regulatory changes. We also highlighted the significance of stablecoins and emerging blockchain technologies, such as Layer 2 solutions and interoperability, which are enhancing scalability and efficiency in the crypto ecosystem. Staying updated on these trends is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the rapidly changing landscape of digital finance. By understanding these developments, you can make informed decisions and seize opportunities in this exciting space. If you found this video informative, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others who might benefit from this knowledge. We have a wealth of related content available, so be sure to explore our channel for further learning on cryptocurrency and blockchain innovations. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.